friends, welcome to IMS Icon 23, which is our 14th international conference. IMS Ghaziabad is hosting this conference with various tracks. I invite you to contribute your research paper in one of its track, which is called ESG and SDG in managing business.
We at IMS Ghaziabad invite your participation in the form of submission of case studies, articles, research papers pertaining to the mentioned issues.
On the behalf of IMS Ghaziabad, I welcome you all to the International Conference MCCon 2023 under track 4 Harnessing Efficiency in Smart Logistics and Supply Chain Management. We are inviting research papers and case studies in the domain of smart logistics and supply chain management, net zero, circular economy and many more. Looking forward to meet you in the conference and interact with you. Thank you.